your team or accountant is working on this to reconcile what all data they have imported are correct or not. Hence, we have come up with a new report called Contracts Notes Summary Report. This you could also view it investment or segment wise, equity FO, MCX separately. And this will show you a very consolidated report of all the brokers contract note you have imported in this software. If by chance something has been missed out, you could literally in a glance find it out from here. We have also tried to show you payable and receivable amount for that specific trade date per broker. So let's assume that you have traded with three brokers in a single trade date. You would be able to see whether with this three individual specific brokers, whether your amount has to be a payable or receivable. And also to view if you find that there's some discrepancy in the amount shown over here, you can also anytime click on this report with the amount and the entire broker bill will be open for you. You can make any amendments if you wish to